Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to change a country in your Spotify account. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on. So guys, in order to change country in Spotify, you have to use the web version. If you are using mobile or Android phone or iPhone, then go to the browser and log in with your Spotify account. Now go to the profile and go to the accounts here. If you see, there is a option like country in profile. So you, if you click on edit profile, there is a no chance to change country. Okay, so it is not change here, but there is a option you can change country. So this option only use if you really switch country, or if you really move to the another country, so you can change the country. Okay, so go to the account view, and here you can find your plan. Just click on it, and I have free plan, so I don't have any account details. So in plan you will have your account details. Go to the account details, just edit it, and you can edit country from this account, your account details. Okay, so when you change country from account details, it will be automatically change this name also. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for